Hey, my name is Mikey Shattuck, and if you are serious about automating work, if you know the power and potential of AI automations, and you really love to lock in, get accountability, I have been an entrepreneur in internet marketing and marketing automations for 15 years. So now all I do is AI marketing automations and back-end sales and operation automations. Meaning, if you know that you should have done things in your business years ago that are not automated to the best potential, follow up is not as good and not as precise and on point as it should be. Your salespeople don't really have the best qualified leads. Their enrichment process sucks, or their sales just completely sucks and they need better training on your offers, whatever the case may be. I would love to invite you into a 4-week coaching program one on one with me. What we're going to do in this program is cover not just how and what to do, but we're actually going to build together this whole actual system. I'm not going to promise you that it can actually automate everything. And AI cannot automate everything yet, but I can guarantee you that the areas that you are bottlenecked in, the areas that are really holding you back. So that's usually follow up. That's usually lead follow up. It's not leads. It's just the follow up consistency, hammering over and over on every possible channel, on every possible platform, and every possible way. And the only way that happens is AI. That's it. So, if you are interested in working with a complete professional expert in building this out, if it's not me, it's someone way better than me. I guarantee it. Right now, I have open spots personally for me. So, that's why I'm opening this up now. You can definitely Instagram, DM me, or you can email me directly, Mikey with two E's, Mikee at Mikey.ai. I'll send you a link to this. You can check it out and you can read more about it. You can ask any questions that you want. What will happen is we will immediately jump on our first call within the first 24 hours after you sign up and you're ready to go. Okay. And from there, what we're going to do is a couple of things. We're going to actually build out a virtual private server for you, which is uh, your own custom hosted everything. Shit. There we go. This is what it is. What is this? Yeah, I'll just kill.